Ever wondered what makes tanks such a game changer on the battlefield? Let's break it down. Tanks are basically mobile fortresses, heavy armor, big guns, and tracks that let them roll over almost any terrain. Inside, you've got a crew working together, a driver steering the beast, a gunner aiming the cannon, a loader readying the shells, and a commander calling the shots. The tank's engine packs serious power, spinning those tracks so it can charge through mud, rubble, even trenches. But what really sets tanks apart isn't just their raw firepower or armor. It's how they combine protection, mobility, and offensive punch in one package. A tank can smash through enemy lines, shrug off machine gun fire, and deliver devastating blows where infantry and lighter vehicles would stall. Compare that to soldiers on foot or wheeled vehicles, both are far more vulnerable. Tanks can cross ground that would stop trucks cold, and their cannons can take out bunkers, other vehicles, and even buildings from a safe distance. The biggest advantage? Shock and awe. When tanks roll in, they terrify defenders and punch open a path for the rest of the force. It's this blend of armor, firepower, and mobility that's kept tanks at the heart of land warfare for over a century. So, next time you see one of these steel giants, remember, it's not just a big gun on tracks. It's the ultimate battlefield force multiplier.